Welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we explore the machines that move the future. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the next year, the Tesla Model Y 2026. If you thought Tesla was done surprising us, think again. This latest evolution of the Model Y is more refined, more intelligent, and yes, more futuristic than ever. From the outside, Tesla hasn't gone for a dramatic redesign, but the refinements are clear. Cleaner lines, new alloy designs, a subtly reworked front fascia, and an updated light signature give the 2026 Model Y a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. It's familiar, but smarter, like the car itself has matured. Now, step inside and you're greeted with Tesla's new minimalist interior, but this time, it's even more advanced. The yoke steering option remains, but now you can choose a redesigned smart wheel too, giving drivers more flexibility. The central touchscreen is sharper and faster, with Tesla's updated user interface, smoother transitions, better voice control, and support for third-party apps like Spotify, YouTube, and yes, even Zoom meetings on the go. A new ambient lighting strip wraps around the cabin, changing color based on your drive mode or personal preference. It's subtle, but it adds a whole new level of polish. Tesla's new seats are both ventilated and heated, and thanks to recycled materials, they're eco-friendly without sacrificing comfort. But let's talk performance, because the 2026 Model Y isn't just a software update. Tesla has improved battery efficiency with their latest 4680 cell architecture. That means more range, faster charging, and better thermal management. You can now expect up to 350 miles of range on the long-range variant and around 290 miles on the performance version, which by the way, hits 0 to 60 in just about 3.4 seconds. Tesla's new adaptive suspension, yes, finally available on the Model Y, delivers a smoother ride and adjusts in real time based on road conditions. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving a winding road, the 2026 Model Y feels planted and confident. Now, Autopilot has taken a serious step forward. Full self-driving is still in beta, but with Tesla's latest hardware and AI chip, the system is noticeably more intuitive. Lane changes are smoother, response time is faster, and the car handles more complex urban environments with less driver intervention. It's not perfect, but it's getting close. And for those who want hands-free highway driving, Tesla's Navigate on Autopilot just keeps improving. What's really interesting though is Tesla's push for more vehicle personalization. Your profile now follows you from car to car, settings, music, climate, seat position, everything adjusts automatically. It even knows your favorite podcast and loads it the moment you get in. And let's not forget the software perks. Tesla continues to treat its cars like iPhones, with over-the-air updates bringing new features, games, and even performance tweaks. One day you might wake up and your Model Y just got faster, or smarter, without ever visiting a service center. On the safety front, the Model Y 2026 builds on Tesla's already impressive record. It's expected to receive top safety ratings once again, thanks to a reinforced chassis, improved driver monitoring system, and better sensor coverage all around. The cabin camera now detects distraction and drowsiness more accurately, giving subtle alerts without being too intrusive. And if you're wondering about practicality, it's still one of the most spacious compact SUVs on the market. With up to 76 cubic feet of cargo space, optional third-row seating, and wireless charging pads for all passengers, it's designed to be as family-friendly as it is. Future-proof. Charging is also getting easier, especially with Tesla opening up its supercharger network to other EVs. With V4 superchargers rolling out, you can get up to 250 kilowatts charging speed, meaning 0 to 80% in about 20 minutes. That's a coffee break, not a wait. What really sets the Model Y 2026 apart though, is how complete it feels. It's not a concept anymore. It's not just for early adopters. This car is for people who want a smart, clean, reliable ride that's genuinely fun to drive. And for many, it might just be their first EV. Pricing. It's competitive. Tesla's cost-cutting on battery production means the base model is expected to start just under $45,000 before incentives. And with the federal EV tax credit still in place for many buyers, it becomes even more accessible. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model Y the dream car? For some, absolutely. It's tech forward without being too flashy, quick without burning gas, and smarter every time you drive it. It's not just a step into the future, it's the road we're already on. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If you like this look at the Tesla Model Y 2026, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic rides, and tell us in the comments, is the Model Y your kind of dream car? Or are you waiting for something even more wild? Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep dreaming.